How to use your Shein gift card. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can use our Shein gift card online, so make sure to stick with me till the end. In order to use your Shein gift card online, open up the Shein app and this is the kind of interface you will see. Now what you can do is, normally to redeem a gift card you can do it during the checkout process. So you can go to your cart, go to checkout, and when on the order confirmation page, here you can set different option where you can also actually use a gift card over here, right? So here under it you can see gift card options. So under gift card, just enter the card number and the pin, tap on the apply option to redeem the balance from your gift card depending upon the value of the gift card. Otherwise, what you can also do is you can come back to the me account page, then tap on the gift card option here again. Here also you can just tap to actually check the balance. Otherwise you can redeem it whenever you're on the checkout process. So hope this video helped you as to how you can use your Shein gift card online. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.